This is the B-2 Spirit that made its first flight 30 years ago, but this undefeatable stealth bomber remains one of the world's most feared aircraft in the US Air Force. It's arguably one of the US's most formidable and mysterious weapons in the sky and the only known stealth bomber in the world, capable of dropping both conventional and nuclear payloads with pinpoint accuracy. As a multi-role bomber capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear munitions, this insane bomber represents a major milestone in the U.S. bomber modernization program. The B-2 brings massive firepower to bear in a short time anywhere on the globe through previously impenetrable defenses. The B-2 provides the penetrating flexibility and effectiveness inherent in manned bombers. Its low observable, or stealth, characteristics give it the unique ability to penetrate an enemy's most sophisticated defenses and threaten its most valued and heavily defended targets. Its capability to penetrate air defenses and threaten effective retaliation provides a strong, effective deterrent and combat force well into the 21st century. The revolutionary blending of low observable technologies with high aerodynamic efficiency and large payload gives the B-2 important advantages over existing bombers. Its low observability provides it greater freedom of action at high altitudes, thus increasing its range and a better field of view for the aircraft's sensors. It can travel as long as 6,000 nautical miles on a single tank without refueling mid-air, but aerial refueling can keep the bomber up indefinitely. The B-2's maximum speed is Mach 0.95, or as much as 630 miles per hour. The B-2's low observability is derived from a combination of reduced infrared, acoustic, electromagnetic, visual, and radar signatures. These signatures make it difficult for the sophisticated defensive systems to detect, track, and engage the B-2. Many aspects of the low observability process remain classified. However, the B-2's composite materials, special coatings, and flying wing design all contribute to its stealthiness. While the B-2 bomber was initially designed for deep penetration into the Soviet Union to drop nuclear gravity bombs, it was additionally configured in the mid-1990s to include a conventional bomb drop capability of 20 tons, a combat load heavier than either the B-1 or the legendary B-52 bomber could carry. The B-2 was originally intended to carry nuclear bombs deep into Soviet territory by evading detection. Its shape, paired with the plane's stealth systems, would enable it to be undetected by Soviet radars. The B-2's long range meant it could fly deep into enemy territory and return home with a greater safety and security. The B-2 can carry 16 2,400-pound B-83 nuclear bombs, but its official limit of 40,000 pounds of ordnance means it can carry a massive amount of precision-guided munitions. What makes it even more feared is its ultra-secret, low-observable stealth technology and a combat load of smart bombs called Joint Directed Attack munitions. The B-2 is a flying wing aircraft, so it has no fuselage or tail. This means it has low drag, high structural efficiency, and generates more lift than other fixed-wing aircraft. The B-2's flying wing design, special radar-absorbent materials, and carefully engineered surfaces significantly reduce its radar signature, making it very difficult to detect on radar systems. Beyond radar, the B-2 also incorporates features to minimize its infrared, acoustic, and visual signatures, further enhancing its ability to evade detection. The B-2 can fly long distances and carry a large payload of both conventional and nuclear weapons, allowing it to reach targets across vast distances. Due to its stealth, the B-2 can operate at high altitudes and penetrate deep into enemy territory, making it suitable for a wide range of missions, including strategic bombing and covert operations. What sets it apart is its unique capability to carry a mix of conventional and thermonuclear weapons including up to 8,500-pound Mk-82 joint-directed attack munitions, GPS-guided precision strike bombs, or 16 B-83 nuclear bombs, each weighing 400 pounds, in addition to a collection of the heaviest air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. Following the Soviet Union's dissolution, the B-2's role expanded to include conventional precision attacks, featuring a sophisticated GPS targeting system and the capability to deploy a variety of ordnance. Notably, the B-2 stands as the only acknowledged aircraft in active service capable of carrying significant air-to-surface standoff weapons while maintaining a stealth configuration envisioned initially for deep-penetrating nuclear strike missions during the Cold War. What makes the B-2 crazier than any other U.S. aircraft is its overwhelming expenses. At an incredibly tremendous cost of $2 billion per unit, the B-2's price tag is hard to justify compared to other military aircraft. The B-2 costs more than $135,000 per flight hour to operate in 2010, which is about twice that of the B-52 and B-1. To put the B-2's cost in perspective, consider the price tags of other U.S. military aircraft. The F-22 Raptor, the world's first and most advanced fifth-generation fighter jet, costs $350 million per unit. The C-17 Globemaster, which can transport tremendous quantities of U.S. military equipment around the world, costs up to $340 million per unit. The P-8 Poseidon costs $290 million per unit, and the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, the interconnected fifth-generation Marvel, costs $115 million per unit. Air Force One itself, designed to support the head of the entire executive branch in transit, costs $660 million. You could buy 4 Air Force Ones for the price of 1 B-2. You could buy 6 F-22s, or about 17 F-35s. For the price of 1 B-2, you could cover about 40% of the cost to build a Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier that houses about 5,000 sailors and 100 aircraft. So, were the B-2's unique costs worthwhile? Did the U.S. at $2 billion per unit get its money's worth? The answer is probably not. The B-2's primary selling point is the fusion of stealth technology with the ability to deploy nuclear weapons. In theory, the B-2 allows the U.S. to deploy nuclear weapons with pinpoint precision without the delivery method being detected beforehand. The B-2's design includes 2 internal bomb bay, reducing radar visibility compared to external munitions carriage. The ultra-modern electronic systems used in aviation play a pivotal role in the B-2 stealth operations, necessitating thorough checks to maintain the aircraft's low visibility and high efficiency. Flight controls integral to the bomber's unique flying wing design are carefully examined to guarantee precise maneuverability and stability. These pre-flight routines underscore the intricate balance between the B-2 stealth capabilities and operational demands, ensuring it remains one of the most advanced and feared aircraft in the skies. The B-2 Spirit's maneuverability, a crucial feature for any stealth bomber, is largely attributed to its innovative design and sophisticated control mechanisms, and as a flying wing aircraft, it inherently faces challenges in flight stability. To counteract this, the B-2 employs a complex quadruplex computer-controlled fly-by-wire flight control system. This system automatically adjusts flight surfaces and settings, maintaining stability without needing direct pilot inputs. Another vital aspect of B-2 operations is aerial refueling and hot pit refueling. Aerial refueling allows the B-2 to undertake extended, far-reaching missions by receiving fuel mid-flight. In contrast, hot pit refueling facilitates rapid ground refueling with engines running, which is crucial for quick response scenarios. Together, these practices are integral to the B-2's operational efficiency and readiness, underscoring its role as a persistent, versatile presence in the skies apart from operational effectiveness. Another critical aspect is its maintenance process, given its substantial weight of 160,000 pounds. Specialized procedures are employed to ensure optimal functioning. Essentially, the B-2's stealth features were meant to remove predictability from U.S. nuclear deployment tactics, inspiring greater caution from U.S. adversaries who would be forced to assume the U.S. could strike with surprise anytime and anywhere. In short, the B-2 is designed to enhance the air portion of the U.S. air, land, and sea nuclear triad, which in turn enhances Washington's nuclear deterrence capabilities.